In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gmail auto reply message in 2020. If you're planning to be away from your inbox for a while, whether it's for a vacation or a business meeting, setting up an auto reply message can ensure that anyone trying to reach you knows you're not available immediately. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access your Gmail account. Head over to the Gmail website and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see a gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll select See All Settings. This step takes you into the broader Settings menu, where you'll be configuring your auto reply. Within Settings, make sure you're in the General tab. Scroll down through the options until you see Vacation Responder. This is where you'll set up your automatic replies. You'll need to turn the Vacation Responder on by selecting Vacation Responder On. This enables the auto reply feature and tailors it to your specific needs. Next, you're going to set the date range. Begin by choosing a start date for when you want your auto replies to begin. This is labeled as first day. Then, if you already know when you'll be back and want the auto replies to stop automatically, you can also select an end date, marked as the last day. However, this step is optional. If you decide to leave it blank, Gmail will continue to send the auto reply until you go back and manually turn it off. Now it's time to compose your auto reply message. Start with the subject line, which should be clear and straightforward, something like out of office. After the subject, draft the message itself. Here you'll explain that you're currently unavailable and when you'll be back. For instance, you might write something like, "Hello, thank you for your email. I am currently out of the office and will respond to your message on return date. Regards, your name." There's also an option to send these responses only to people in your contacts. If you're concerned about privacy or just don't want everyone to receive this notification, check the box that says "Send responses only to people in my contacts." Once you've set everything up to your liking, don't forget to apply the changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This final step ensures your auto reply is active and set according to your preferences. And that's it. You've successfully set up an auto reply message for your Gmail. Now you can step away from your inbox and rest assured that anyone who emails you will be automatically informed of your absence.